This is Dr. Davis, and I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to add your project to a discussion forum. This is a project done by a previous student. I don't remember the grade or anything. I just pulled one up. I don't even remember who did this. The first paragraph tells us about the paper that the student chose the Rogerian, gave a little short synopsis of what the paper was about. And then the second paper, the student explains his or her rhetorical choices. Here is the photo the student made. If you notice, it's a blend of visuals and text. If you want to put this surrounding the words, like the example I had on Top Pilot, you would right click and click on Wrap Text. And I usually choose Square, and you move it up here, and you notice that the words go all the way around it, and you decide where you want to put it. Then you can right click, and if you want to, you can go back into Wrap Text, and you can fix it in position right there, and it won't move. Now I'm going to unfix it so I can move it out of the way. Oh, I guess I did not unfix it. Let's see. I wonder why it won't. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so I'm going to copy the write-up, and then I'm going to go into a discussion forum, and I'm just going to hit Control V. And then I'm going to go back to my picture here, and I'm just going to hit Save Picture As. I already saved it. It's right there. Ignore the pictures of me as a child. And then I'm going to pull this up. And, well, that's too big. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger right here. And then right here is the Insert Picture function. I'm just going to make a arbitrary choice of where I want to put it. I'm going to put it right there. I'm going to hit Insert, browse my computer, select on it. Then, let me get this where you can see it. Under Appearance, I'm going to check the drop-down box on Alignment, and I'm going to choose Right, and it will put my picture to the right of the words. Then I'm going to add about 10 spaces horizontally between the words in the photo. And you really should, in case there's somebody who is blind and has a computer reader reading to them, you do want to put, the name of the photo and just put, I'm just going to put Rhetorical Revision. And then you want to hit your Insert key right there, and there it is. You can right click on it, and these little white squares will show up, and you can click on it and drag it towards the center so it doesn't lose its shape. And that is how you insert your photo. And then you hit the Submit button, and there it is.